Air travel hacks airlines don't want you to know. What if I told you airlines have been secretly profiting from your confusion, and you're falling for it every time you fly? From security lines to seat assignments, these systems are rigged in ways most travelers don't even notice. And no, this isn't some conspiracy theory. It's smart business, and you're the target. Here's the real kicker. Studies show over 80% of travelers unknowingly make costly mistakes before they even reach their gate. They overpay, lose time, or make decisions based on carefully engineered illusions. But not anymore. If you've ever felt overwhelmed at the airport, got hit with weird fees, or just felt like you're always doing it wrong, you're not alone. These aren't rookie mistakes, they're designed traps. And today, we're breaking every one of them down. So buckle up, because tip #11 is going to change how you treat your carry-on forever. It's something even seasoned flyers overlook, and it could cost you big time. 1. Use free hotel shuttles to beat airport Uber fees. Most travelers blindly accept that Ubers from airports are expensive. But did you know it's not the ride? It's the location that's killing your wallet. Airports add a pickup surcharge ranging from $5 to $20, and that doesn't include traffic zones or waiting in confusing pickup areas. That's by design. The fix? Use a free hotel shuttle from the terminal to a nearby hotel like Marriott, Hyatt, or even Motel 6. These shuttles run every 10 to 15 minutes and rarely check if you're a guest. Once you're off airport property, just call your ride. No fees, better pickup spots, and less wait. It's faster, safer, and smarter. Some travelers report saving $25 minus 40 per trip this way. 2. Reserve a security time slot. Skip the line like a VIP. Long TSA lines can feel like purgatory. But what if you could skip all of it for free? Most people don't know they can. Major airports like Heathrow, Schiphol, LAX, and Sydney now offer free security reservations. Book a time slot online, scan your QR code at a special lane, and breeze through. This isn't promoted loudly, because if too many use it, it stops being a perk. People who use it report wait times under 10 minutes, even during rush hours. That's better than TSA pre-check. 3. Always go left at security. Here's why. Humans are wired to drift right. That's why most people crowd into the rightmost TSA lines, unknowingly choosing the slowest route. Airport staff have confirmed this over and over. The left lanes are almost always shorter and faster. Next time you enter security, do a quick scan. Ignore the instinct to follow the crowd. Head left. Save 10 to 20 minutes doing absolutely nothing different. 4. Track your bag. Don't trust airlines. Airlines mishandle over 25 million bags every year. If that number shocks you, it should. Their tracking systems are also incredibly outdated. For $30, you can buy an Apple AirTag or Samsung SmartTag. Drop it inside your suitcase and track it live with your phone. Travelers have used these to spot bags left on tarmacs, lost in wrong terminals, or still sitting at the departure gate. In some cases, passengers found their bags before the staff even knew it was missing. 5. The airport is playing you. Here's how. Airports are built to manipulate your psychology from the moment you step inside. It's not just about efficiency, it's about spending. Soft carpets after security? That's to make you relax and shop. Citrus scents? Those elevate mood and spending rates. Narrow walkways? Designed to funnel you past high-margin products. Retail design expert Paco Underhill once said, "A store's layout is its silent salesman." Airports took that and dialed it up to 100. 6. Your suitcase wheels are filthy. Here's why it matters. Your luggage wheels touch everything. Parking lot oil, bathroom puddles, airplane undercarriages, food spills. Then you roll them right into your bedroom carpet. Most people sanitize their tray tables, but never wipe down wheels. That's a hygiene disaster waiting to happen. Use disinfectant wipes after every trip. Keep them in an outside pocket. It takes 30 seconds and prevents tracking bacteria into your home or hotel. 7. Duty-free isn't always a deal, it's a trap. Tax-free doesn't mean cheaper. In fact, duty-free prices are often inflated to catch excited, impulsive travelers. One 2023 consumer report found that 48% of duty-free items were priced higher than at local retailers. Want to be smart? Scan barcodes with Google Lens or search prices on Amazon before you buy. Sometimes you're paying more for less, literally. 8. Sleep on flights with Valerian plus ASMR. No pills needed. Can't sleep in the air? Don't knock yourself out with melatonin or Ambien. There's a gentler, more effective combo, Valerian Root plus ASMR audio. Valerian is a natural sedative used for centuries. Add calming ASMR and your body starts unwinding without side effects. Try it 30 minutes before takeoff. You'll thank yourself when you land rested, not groggy. 9. Never put your address on luggage tags. Here's why. It seems logical. Put your name and address on your bag so people can return it. But in 2025, that's risky. Thieves can see where you live and know you're not home. Use your phone number and email. Better yet, use a digital tag with a QR code linked to encrypted contact info. This simple switch could protect your home and your identity. 10. Always book early morning flights. Here's the secret. Early flights take off smoother, land on time, and face fewer delays. That's because your plane is likely already there from the night before. Later flights suffer ripple effects from early morning hiccups, traffic congestion, and weather buildup. Bonus: morning flights are statistically cheaper and experience 60% less turbulence. Yes, waking at 4 a.m. is rough, but missing a connection is worse. 11. Stop putting your bag under the seat. Here's what to do instead. That seat back space seems ideal for your backpack, but it's a danger zone. The floor is rarely sanitized and packed with germs, crumbs, and shoe bacteria. Worse, thieves target that area during long-haul red-eyes, quietly sliding bags out while passengers sleep. Instead, pack a slim pouch with just the essentials and clip your main bag to the seat frame or stash it overhead. You'll gain legroom and peace of mind. Wrap up. Be the flyer airlines secretly hate. Let's recap what you've unlocked. Hotel shuttle hacks, VIP security lanes, better seat comfort, cleaner bags, smarter shopping, and safer luggage. If you found even one of these helpful, hit like. Better yet, subscribe. We've got even more insider tips coming. And hey, what's your favorite airport in the world? Drop it in the comments. You might just inspire someone's next trip.